Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the 7th day of May 2025. We just got finished the US closed live trading room. And as always, trade of the day are trades that are actually taken in the live trading room, either by myself or traders in the room. Most of the time it's both. Today we got this amazing candle. If you've been with us any period of time, it's the same trade every day almost. We look for the little arrow that says that this current candle is a very strong candle. And then we can see that it's 3 times stronger than the previous candle. So we're going to look over here at the PVI, and you can see the PVI is very high today. So I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 150 to 250 ticks long. So by looking at that, I'll come over to my ATM. I'll pick out the proper ATM for this. And we're going to go with 20s, 100s, and 200s, since the market will support that. 20 ticks times 2. Then we de-risk the trade and see if we can get our 100-tick runner and our 200-tick runner. And let's see how we go. So we'll go ahead and put the trade on. As always, we put a cover order on in case the market just wants to run. If it retraces, then we'll take this order and we'll put it on the body of the candle. These are 10-tick horizontals. So let's see how we get going. Now this setup here is this too. We failed 4 times to close below this daily close brick wall. Then we get this massive candle that closes below what was formerly resistance. So there's a lot going on that says that this is going to go very, very well. And we picked it up nicely on today's trade. So here we go. We're going to start it up. It was FOMC today, which is basically a news session, and high up there. And the first thing I got to do is move my stop to the proper level. Now, as soon as I hit 20 ticks, as you know, if you've seen this before, we're going to de-risk the trade completely, and then we'll see if we can get a runner. Okay, you see our stop came to a break-even position. And now we just sit back with our feet propped up, seeing if we can get our final 2 targets taken out. Now, a lot of times I'll take this target and I'll put it at the open here because that's the next major brick wall. But the market's very, very hot right now. You can see the previous candle was 174 ticks long. So this should hit a 100-tick target without much of a problem. You can see it touched hundreds and then didn't do very much. So when that usually happens, I'll usually take that out. But we'll just let it run out. I'll speed it up a little bit so we're not here all day. Now we're running it. There you go. So hundreds are out. So it's 2 times 20. So it's 40 plus 100, 140 ticks so far on NQ. Now I'm going to start moving my stop. Nope, 200 got out before I could even do it. Guys and gals, that trade right there was worth $1,705, $1,705 US dollars in less than 5 minutes. That's a phenomenal trade, all done by a Samurai day trading indicator, believe it or not. So it doesn't take a genius to be able to say put a trade on whenever you see the indicator come on the screen. So there you go. That was worth $1,705 in basically 2 minutes and 15 seconds. So if you want to learn how to make that kind of money in less than 1 5-minute candle, come and join us in the Samurai Day Trading live trading room today. It's quite inexpensive for what the value that you get out of it, and just an amazing. Come hunt with us together. We hunt as a pack, and do it all together. So look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. And if not, we'll see you at the trade of the day tomorrow. Take care.